Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer, D., hopes to quell the nation's most severe uptick in COVID-19 cases by rolling out new antibody treatments and speeding up vaccinations, but she suggested Wednesday that new social distancing rules are not necessary, even as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention urges the state to shut things down. Instead of mandating that we're closing things down, we are encouraging people to do what we know works, Whitmer told reporters Wednesday. It's not the policy problem, it's a variant and compliance problem. Last weekend, CDC Director Rochelle Walensky said Michigan should go back to the basics by reimposing last year's shutdowns. Whitmer has urged the federal government to send extra vaccine doses to Michigan, but federal officials turned down this request last week. Walensky argued vaccines will not immediately quell Michigan's surge because they take weeks to become fully effective. Coronavirus infections have gradually crept up nationwide over the last month, but Michigan has turned into an epicenter, with the state's daily case counts approaching record levels. Health experts have partly blamed the outbreak on a contagious and increasingly common coronavirus variant first spotted in the United Kingdom. Plus, Whitmer says some people have abandoned social distancing protocols, and the state's lower-than-average infection rate last year means most Michiganders didn't develop antibodies against the virus. State Senate Majority Leader Mike Shirkey, R., applauded Whitmer's reluctance to roll out mandatory shutdowns. It's a rare note of praise from Shirkey, who fought Whitmer's coronavirus restrictions vehemently last year and bragged to constituents in a private meeting that Republicans spanked her hard in state budget debates. Shirkey later apologized. CDC denies Michigan extra COVID-19 vaccines, says state should shut things down. Forbes. Whitmer pledges to ramp up COVID-19 treatment, but no word on new Michigan restrictions. Detroit Free Press. Michigan's virus cases are out of control, putting Governor Gretchen Whitmer in a bind. New York Times. Full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.